Hey subscribers, welcome to my channel Prisma Visuals. Today I will tell you about a new website with animation features like Mixamo. This website is for mobile. You can work on this website without using a mouse, just by using your hand. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and search Meshtamotion. Tap on the first website. Then tap on Try It Out. "45 human ready-made animations will be available on this website. Apart from animating the human, you can also animate an animal, birds, and dragon. How can you animate? First, tap on the Create option. After this, tap on the Upload option and add the character. After this, tap on the Select a Skeleton option. Then tap Human. After this, adjust this option according to your character size. After this, tap on Edit Skeleton. In this you can change the bones as per your wish. If you make a mistake after modifying the bone, you can go back and modify it again. After this, select which animation you want. To select the animation, tap on the white box. Then tap on the Download option. After downloading, open Prism 3D. After this, add the downloaded animated character. Okay guys, if you learned anything from this video then please like, comment, share and subscribe. I will get you in the next video.